In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use X, also known as Twitter, with a VPN in a simple step-by-step way. This is helpful if you want an extra layer of privacy, need to connect through a different server location, or just want to understand how to get X running after turning on your VPN. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, you need to install a VPN application on your device. You can do this on a phone, tablet, or computer, depending on where you want to use X. Open your App Store, search for a trusted VPN provider, and download the app. Once the installation is finished, open the VPN app to begin setup. Next, sign into your VPN account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If not, you may need to create one first and choose a plan if required. After you're logged in, you'll usually see the main dashboard or home screen of the VPN app. This is where you choose your server and connect. Now it's time to select a server location. A server location is the country or region you want your internet connection to appear to come from. Depending on your goal, you can choose a nearby server for better speed or a different location if you specifically need that region. Tap or click the server you want, then connect to it. In most VPN apps, there will be a big Connect button or a Quick Connect option. After you press Connect, wait a few moments until the VPN shows that it is connected. This is an important step because you want the VPN to be fully active before opening X. Most apps will show a clear status like Connected, Protected, or a green indicator when everything is ready. If it doesn't connect right away, give it a second or try another server. Once the VPN is connected, open X, either by going to x.com in your browser or opening the X app on your device. Since the VPN is already running, your connection to X will now go through the server you selected. That means you can sign in and use X normally while the VPN stays active in the background. If you are logging in for the first time on that device, enter your username, email, and password as usual. If X asks for any verification, complete that process the same way you normally would. After that, you should be able to browse your feed, post, search, reply, and use the platform just like normal. A quick tip here. If X doesn't load properly or seems slow, try switching to a different VPN server. Sometimes a particular location may be overloaded or blocked, and changing servers can solve the problem fast. Also, make sure your VPN connection stays on while you're using X, because disconnecting it may change your connection behavior. Another useful tip is to keep your VPN app updated. VPN providers often improve speed, stability, and security with updates, so it's a good habit to check for them regularly. The same goes for the X app or your browser. Keeping everything updated can prevent annoying login issues or connection problems. And that's really all there is to it. Install your VPN, sign in, select a server, wait until it shows connected, then open x.com or the X app and use it normally. It's a simple process once you've done it once, and it only takes a minute or two. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.